Money needs to be managed in a very effective way so that you're able to know where and how your money is going. There are so many expenses that we don't pay attention to that appears to be very insignificant. However, if you add them up over a long period of time, over 3 months, over 6 months, over a year, you actually see that it's draining your pocket and always keeping you broke. And so in today's video, I'm going to share with you some money leaks that you need to keep an eye on and avoid. If you are new on this channel, this is Apia, and today my wife Rita is behind the scenes, doing all the production and direction of this video, and she's going to join us in our next video. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The very first money leak that I want to talk to you about is delivery fees. If you are buying things online, now we live in a world that, I would say a luxurious world that regardless of where you are, anything that you want to buy, you can just purchase it online. But I would strongly encourage you to make a plan, make a list of things that you want to buy, because there are so many shops or stores, online stores, that will be able to offer you free delivery if you spend over a certain dollar amount or over a certain amount. And so keep an eye on delivery fees. There's no point buying an item of $10 and paying a delivery fee of $5. My wife recently is engaging an interesting side hustle by delivering food to people. And we always talk about how people that live just a mile away from a restaurant or a fast food are able to order items for $10 and they are paying a delivery fee of $8. Well, I cannot blame them because that's how probably they are used to. But I just want you to keep an eye on delivery fees because they are insignificant. They are very minute, but just add it up. If you are paying a delivery fee on food for $10 every day for 5 days, that's $50 a week gone, in addition to the items that you are buying. So keep an eye on that. Money leak number 2, subscription fees. If you have not watched our video on how we regulated screen time for our children, we will encourage you to watch. In that video, we talked about how people have a host of subscription service that they are not even aware of. Amazon, Netflix, Disney, all these things. And one interesting fact about these subscription service or subscription fees is that they are automated. They tell you that, just try it for 2 months free, and then on the 3rd month you have to pay. By the time you realize the 3rd month, 4th month is here and you start paying, you are not even aware of it. So subscription fees are done in a way that, because they are automated, even if they are increasing the price, you are not paying attention to it. So you started off with maybe $5 or $6 a month. In 3 months time, they've shot it up to $14. And if you are adding it up for the whole year, just do the math for yourself, do the calculation for yourself, and see how much subscription fees are taken away from your budget. So I encourage you to make a budget and just cut down on some of these subscription fees, because as I mentioned, if you are looking at Netflix, Amazon Prime, all these things, ask yourself, how many times are you even watching that show? Can you talk to a family member or a friend and share these subscriptions among yourselves? So if you have 5 friends, one can register for Netflix, share the password among the rest of the friends. You can have the Amazon Prime and share. That way you can save money rather than doing everything all by yourself. So subscription fees is one of the major money leaks that you need to definitely pay attention to. The next money leak that I want to talk to you about is bank fees. Don't pay for bank fees. There are so many banks available that it does not make sense to pay for bank fees. So if your bank is charging you for a monthly maintenance fee, I would encourage you to look for an online bank or any fiscal bank that does not charge bank fees, because bank fees can definitely drain your money. So pay attention to bank fees. Next money leak that I would like to share with you is name brand products, right? Name brand products. If you go to Walmart, you go to Target, you go to H-E-B, you go to Kroger, you always find that, there are some name brands versus the store brand product. All these products are maybe produced by the same manufacturer. However, the name brand may be costing you $5 more or $10 more than if you were to buy a generic brand. So I encourage you that whatever item that you are purchasing, try and look for, the generic brands. If it's medication, if it's, clothing, whatever it is. Don't go out there trying to, use your money to buy things to impress people that don't even care. So watch out for name brand products versus generic brand product. Buying generic brand products will save you a lot of dollars. The next money leak that I would like to talk to you about is coffee or snacks or buying food outside. They might appear very small, not so much, less than $10 a day, but if you are buying Starbucks, if you are buying whatever your favorite cafe is. We don't drink a lot of coffee, so we don't know all these things. But if you are eating outside, why don't you consider making the coffee yourself? Probably once a month or once every quarter, you can reward yourself with going out to, eating out at a restaurant or buying that favorite coffee. But watch out for, all these coffee and all these snacks that you are purchasing on the go once you go to work. That is taking away a lot of, little money here and there from your budget. Next money lead that I would like to share with you is gym membership. Unused gym membership. The beginning of the year saw so many people wanting to stay fit, wanting to become physically active, and so they went out there registering for gym membership, and it becomes a 9-day wonder. I would strongly encourage you that before you sign up for a gym membership, make sure that you are physically active, either by walking or running in your neighborhood, so that if you sign up for any gym membership, you can definitely utilize it to the highest potential, rather than paying a monthly gym membership and not using it, which is leaking dollars, hundreds of dollars. Adding it up to the, for the annual or for the year is going to become thousands of dollars. So keep an eye on gym membership. So I thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video very insightful and you are going to keep track of, all the money leaks. I will be very, grateful if you put what other money leaks that might not have been mentioned, or if you disagree with any of these money leaks, use the comment section below and let's get interactive. Until we come your way again next time, stay blessed.